We continue.
It's not bringing anything. Eh? On the name, it's just blank.
The name
When I
where?
try to define it. When I try to define it.
It's blank because you defined it.
I defined it already.
If you want to define the same things that you defined, when you go and define on the name, there will be nothing showing.
So it means it's a formula which I'm not following.
Yes, yes, yes.
You said equal sign?
Are you able to see my screen on top there?
Yes. PMT. And I tab interest rate.
Comma.
Then
Period.
comma.
And negative and loan
Period.
amount. Then comma 0.
Negative. Remember you 50. No. Loan amount. Comma.
Comma 0. Then close bracket.
No, it's just giving me the same thing. Okay, it's fine. You can continue.
Yeah, I'm research phone though.
I
Don't
don't know
worry.
where I've made a mistake.
Don't worry, you will catch up. We will give you I've already given you the Excel sheet. Just practice after class. There's just maybe somewhere where maybe just even like a small mistake, even a comma or a full stop can make you sweat. So we go to which one? Let's go to debt ratio. Debt ratio is equals 40%. 40% of our net salary times times net salary. So that is a 40%. So this amount is less than what? The payment, the deduction. This payment is the deduction from the loan for the amount that they will be deducting every month. If you got a 45,000 for 60 months. Okay, so if we put something like 150,000, okay, this person still qualifies, can still get a loan. Okay, if you put something like 350, this person can't qualify. Okay, so but what you tell us that doesn't qualify, there's no message that comes, right? So that's why that note was saying, make sure there's a message popping up that this person does not qualify. Okay, let's put a 200 flat. Okay, 200, this person won't get it. Okay, so he qualifies something less than 200. Yeah. Let me type. Okay, are we seeing the sense? Hello, does it make sense? Are we there?
We're able to see the changes.
Yes,
But
yeah.
So I was just changing the loan amount there. I wanted to see
what does the ratio mean? The debt ratio, what does it mean?
a debt ratio.
In that case, it's a 4,000.
The debt ratio is the amount, the maximum amount that the banks are allowed to deduct from your payslip by law.
As an installment.
Yes, and as an installment. If you get a loan, if you have 3 loans from Bayport, Easeway, and everything, and you want to get another loan from the bank, they will deduct, they will first calculate 40% of your amount. Then they say that Easeway and Bayport and the other institution, maybe they're getting 3 pin of your 4 pin, meaning they're only allowed to deduct 1 pin remaining for you.
1 pin.
Yes. But if you are clean, and you get 10,000, the maximum they can put as a deduction on your payslip is 4,000. The 6,000
Right.
remain on your payslip, unless if you were sender Kalova.
Sure.
Yeah, but otherwise, the government has put in measures that only 40% supposed to be deducted as a loan deduction if you get a loan, at least maximum 40% of your gross pay. So the banks know this. So that's what they put the debt ratio there, debt service ratio. So if you have gotten too much, they will just tell you now you don't qualify. First muka pusheko ava, abali ava push ava. So that's a debt service ratio. So where else have you remained? So the loan amount requested, you can put anything. Okay. So let's go back to our 45,000 here. Okay. So now let's go to the insurance. What are the insurance? What are
But Innocent, now the way I've remained on this one, can I follow?
where you have remained is on where? Where did you remain?
On payment. On payment.
On payment you can follow, but the challenge will be as we go up. As we go up. But if you tried it, just check it again. Because the mistake there is very simple. Should be a comma or something that you have just typed somewhere. If you just type, if you just continue trying, you find the answer. So let's do the insurance. The insurance is also complicated, right? So the insurance here we are doing the if statement again. Okay, so the insurance will be your homework. So that I don't load you too much, especially that others are behind. Others are too quiet. We don't know where they are following. They are what? There are only 4 people that are talking. So can I give you insurance as your homework? We need to meet tomorrow again.
Yes, we can guide us a bit so that as we go through, so it can come in the same way like we did on the what? On the payment, it has to have the if.
Yes, it's supposed to have an if statement. So there we are saying, you have seen that table in the question where it's saying tenure, and then
Yes.
the tenure is supposed to have, for example, if you get a loan, if you get a loan for 12 months, the insurance is 0.8 something. If you get a loan, so that's the insurance there. So now I'm supposed to say, if the tenure now, if the period is less than 12 months, okay, is less or equal to 12 months, then you're supposed to calculate insurance 0.84% times the loan amount. Okay, that's the first argument. You put a comma again there. Then now you go to the second one. The second one you do, if now there are 2 arguments in the second one. So when you have 2 arguments, supposed to have if and, okay? So you say, comma, if you tab and you tab. Now, what will be your argument? Your argument is if the period there, your tenure of your loan, is greater than 12, okay? Is greater than what? 12. 12 months, comma, the same one, the same tenure is also less or equal to 36 months. Okay? Then you're supposed to calculate your insurance at 1.31% times the loan amount. Okay? So that is the argument. Then the last argument, the second last argument there is if now your tenure is less than, it means greater than 36, but the same tenure is greater or equal to 48 months, then your calculation will be 2.1% times the loan amount. Then the last one, if and your tenure is greater than 48 months, but the same tenure is less than 60, is less or equal to 60 months, then the 2.31% times the loan amount is supposed to be calculated and to find the insurance. That's what we're supposed to do. Any question?
So, in this case, don't we require the rate table to be created on the dashboard so that we just pick on it? If it's 0.84, we just click on it and then it comes on the front.
Yeah, the rate table will be necessary, but it will just confuse you.
Okay.
If you put the rate table here, this one you are calculating as if you are doing pay as you earn. You have seen pay as you earn the way pay as you earn is. So that's how your table will look like there. You're not going to put it the way it is there in the question. You're going to put it the way pay as you earn. So from 1 to 12, you put the rate. Then greater than 12 to, is it 36? Then the rate. That's when then you do, but you still go back to the same concept. You still type the same formula. So don't type the formula direct. You need to, don't type just, no, this is 60 months, so 2.31% times the loan amount. You get a 0 mark. You need to type the entire nested if statement there. Okay, but don't worry, we still meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow, same time, 17 hours. Let's meet at 17, a bit early at 17 hours. So at least we finish the dashboard.
16. I think 16 will be okay because at my place, internet is a challenge when it goes up. So right now I'm at the office just because of the internet connectivity.
If everyone agrees at 16, I'm okay, but the challenge is
no. Me, I'm not okay. By then, I'll still get the kingdom. Or we start at 15. We finish at 17.
Yeah, so let's start at 17:30.
Hours then.
I don't know. So what we
I
accommodate.
think 17 hours is fine. 17 is fine.
Okay,
17
hours.
is fine.
17 is fine, not 16.
17.
So let's meet at 17.
17 is fine.
We can end at 19, 20, 19:30. If possible.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we don't worry, just do what you can manage to do. When we come, we still go through together tomorrow. But don't throw your computer, just try. Find something, find even a wrong answer.
We have saved.
Yeah. Okay, you have my worksheet, so go and check my worksheet if you forget what I was saying here. That worksheet I gave you, go and click on insurance check. Okay?
Okay.
Check,
All
then
right.
type on your own again. Check, type on your own. If it fails, type again until you manage. So when you meet
Yeah.
tomorrow, so that you can just go through together. But
Sure.
for now, just go through what we're doing so that you don't forget.
Okay.
Okay.
What is remaining from what I gave you is just few stuff that is remaining, plus maybe a report. That 20 marks there.
Yes, I was even about to say I didn't see the report.
No, what is remaining there is just the output, the data in the output there, and the report, that's all. You are done with the assignment. It's all that is different when you are teaching and when you are doing it alone. So if I was doing it alone, I would have finished your assignment by the time I was giving you that. I would have given you, no, you can just do a report on your own.
Can I give a suggestion? I think if we go through the stages, I'm sure we can individually be able to come up with a report. Imagine if we all write the same reports.
Yeah, the report is quite difficult because if I do a report, I'll give you the same report and you'll get 99% on similarity index on the board.
Yes.
So the reason why you are going through like this is even when you sit, you want to write a report, you know, you grasp some things and put, okay, here, maybe you just use my template as just for example, so that you pick some things. But otherwise, that's why we're going through. Don't feel lazy, just practice. Okay, for today is good night and thank you very much for coming. Let's meet tomorrow, 17 hours. Thank you.
No, thank you so much. It's very interesting.
All right, sir.